احنا اليوم بنطالب من الأونروا والوكالة يا عم يسلمونا طحين ويخافوا الله.
The UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees has halted the delivery of aid through the Karam Abu Salem crossing between Israel and Gaza because of security concerns, its chief said, as widespread hunger and deadly Israeli bombardments continue. We are pausing the delivery of aid through Kerem Shalom, the main crossing point for humanitarian aid into Gaza. The road out of this crossing has not been safe for months. On 16th November, a large convoy of aid trucks was stolen by armed gangs, UNRWA head Filippi Lazzarini said in a post on X. Yesterday, we tried to bring in a few food trucks on the same route. They were all taken, he added, warning hunger was rapidly deepening in Gaza. Lazzarini listed how the humanitarian operation had become unnecessarily impossible due to the ongoing siege, hurdles from Israeli authorities, political decisions to restrict the amounts of aid, lack of safety on aid routes and targeting of local police. He called on Israel to ensure aid flowed to Gaza and said the country must refrain from attacks on humanitarian workers.
مشيت حوالي 7-8 كيلو عشان أقدر أوفر لو كيس طحين لو أي ربطة خبز.
لأنه عندنا في غزة هلا مجاعة يعني كيف بدك توصلها؟ مجاعة مش طبيعية. إحنا هان في غزة ميتين من الجوع والحرامية كترانين والنصابين كترانين والظلم كتران والحقد والسرقة والنهيب والكذب كله هذا عندنا موجود في غزة هنا. لأنه ليش؟ لا في حكومة مدورة ولا رقيب ولا حسيب. بيسرقوا المساعدات ولا رقيب ولا حسيب ولا واحد بيقول لهم من انتم. بيجي بيقول لك انه فيش مساعدات بتيجي، لا في بتيجي مساعدات على غزة كلهم بيسرقوها، التجار بيسرقوها ولا المافيات بيسرقوها والطعين المقاطير بيسرقوها، كله بيسرق، كله بنهب، كله بيذبح بهذا الشعب. بتروح على السوق ب 100 شيكل بتشتري لك كيلو بندورة وكيلو خيار بال 100 شيكل.
Meanwhile, Britain has announced an additional $24 million in humanitarian support for Gaza. International Development Minister Anneliese Dodds revealed the funding on Monday. While leaving for a pivotal aid conference in Cairo aimed at tackling the spiraling humanitarian disaster, Dodds called for Israel to give greater access, calling on Israel to immediately act to ensure unimpeded access to Gaza. Dodds said Gazans are in desperate need of food and shelter with the onset of winter. She emphasized the importance of collective action at the Cairo summit, describing it as an opportunity to get leading voices in one room and put forward real-world solutions to the humanitarian crisis. In other news, Israeli forces continued to bombard Gaza, attacking Jabalia in the north and Abbasan al-Kabira in the south, as rival Palestinian groups Fatah and Hamas met in Cairo to discuss a proposal to reopen the Rafah border crossing. Bureau Report, NewsX.